Considering a DIY bathroom remodel? Think again. Without expert training and an experienced eye, many details go overlooked. Here are 5 ways a professional contractor can help you save money on your bathroom remodel by doing it right the first time. 1. Save you from wasting money on poor products. Product durability and reliability equate to savings. When you have a product that lasts, you save on repair costs and maintenance. 2. Great contractors offer great warranties. Quality products come with quality manufacturer warranties, and good contractors stand by their work and labor warranties. 3. Professional contractors address the whole issue. Great installers ensure your new product has a solid foundation. Any issues discovered, such as mold or plumbing problems, will be addressed, saving you from spending on further damage. 4. Contractors pay attention to detail. When installers cut corners, they often skip the small things that matter, causing you to pay the cost after things go awry. 5. A great remodel adds home value. A good contractor will increase the quality of your life and increase the value of your overall home with a long-lasting installation. Call 8 Hour Shower at 317-973-7770 or email us to set up a free bathroom remodeling consultation today.